Good afternoon. Justin here with the Avant-Garde Collection, doing a quick walk around video for our 1988 911 Carrera G50 car that has been backdated or customized or hot rodded, 911R'd, whatever you want to call it, into this machine that you see before you today. A real fantastic build. I just got through with a little drive about an hour ago, and it definitely put a smile on my face, for sure. Every little bit of this car was thought of. Every little detail, like the door handles or the plug for the wiper in the glass or the emblem, bumpers or taillights or exhaust, all thought out and customized. Door panels are really cool, RS style. The seats are just awesome. Manual seats in this car. The gauges. The shifter. Stitched dash. Momo wheel. Just oh, the stereo. Yeah, it's got one of the new Porsche, made to look old, new stereos and some power. Just a really fabulous car. I love the mirror. Somebody mentioned they're not fond of the wheels, but you know what? You don't throw out the suit for the shoes. We've got wheels for days here, and if you want them changed, we can work something out. Let's pop the trunks for you guys. It is all black, just kind of shines differently depending on where the light is coming in. How clean this is. Mattes even stitched to match the dash. Just gorgeous. Underside. Everything's right with the car. There you go, guys. Oh, look at these lights. She's fantastic. If you have any more questions or if you want to see more pictures or videos, I'm happy to do them. Just request in the comment section, and I'll get them up. Thanks, guys.